Good day, our wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the grammar structure using words so and neither to express agreement or the same experience with the speaker. We will explore when and how to use them together. Stay with me until the end of this video and find answers to these questions. We will also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. When we agree with someone or share the same feeling or view, quite often we use the simple phrase "me too." But there is another way to acknowledge this. So do I and neither do I are constructions which are used to show that we agree with the speaker about something. Bear in mind that you can only use these grammar structures when you agree with the speaker. They are not suitable if you disagree, only when you are on the same page. Let's look at some examples. Anne likes toast for breakfast. So do I. That means I agree with Anne and I like toast for breakfast as well. She goes to the gym twice a week. So do I. This shows that I agree with the speaker and I go to the gym twice a week as well. In these examples, I agree with the speakers and share the same experience. Now, if I change the sentence a bit, I say, I like toast for breakfast and Anne, who is my friend, likes toast too. The example is, I like toast for breakfast, so does Anne. This means Anne agrees with me and she also likes toast for breakfast. Here I use does, not do, because I'm talking about Anne's experience, and in the present simple tense, when referring to a third person singular subject, he, she or Anne, we use does as the auxiliary verb. I go to the gym twice a week. So does he. This shows he has the same habit as me. Again, does is used here because the subject he is third person singular, which requires this auxiliary verb in the present simple tense. My sentences were positive. If I agree with negative sentences, I use neither in the same way. It is important to note that the word neither can be pronounced differently. Neither or neither. Neither is more common in British English. Neither is more common in American English. However, both versions are widely understood and accepted. You can confidently use either pronunciation without being considered incorrect. Let's have a look at some examples. I don't like cold coffee for my breakfast. Neither does she. This means she also doesn't like cold coffee for breakfast. Anne doesn't drink tea in the morning. Neither do I. This means I also don't drink tea in the morning. As these sentences were in the present simple, I used do or does in response. But it is not always do or does. The verb after so and neither changes depending on the tense of the main sentence. For example, if the main sentence is in a different tense, like past, future or perfect, the auxiliary verb was, did, will, have and so on will change accordingly. Please compare. It was lunchtime yesterday. My colleague was hungry. So was I. In this case, the sentence is in the past simple tense and the verb was, the form to be, is used. After so, we use the same verb was to show agreement. She went to the cinema yesterday. So did he. In this sentence, the verb went indicates the past simple tense. After so, we use the auxiliary verb did to agree. They have just bought tickets. So have I. This sentence uses the present perfect tense with have. So after this, we use have to agree. He will promise not to be late again. So will she. In this case, the future simple tense is used with will. After so, we also use will to agree. He can play the piano, so can I. Our first sentence has a modal verb can, so in my response I repeat the modal verb can after so. In a similar way for a negative sentence, he can't swim, neither can I. This means I also cannot swim. Here we remember if the sentence is negative, it needs to use neither to agree. Let's summarize what we have studied today. When we agree with a positive sentence, we use so and auxiliary verbs or modal verbs after so, which match the auxiliary or modal verb to the original sentence. He can play the piano, so can I. She likes dogs, so does he. When we agree with a negative sentence, we use neither and auxiliary verbs or modal verbs after neither, which match the auxiliary verb or modal verb to the original sentence. He can't swim, neither can I. She didn't like broccoli, neither did he. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.